Hello everyone. Today is yesterday and today is a sad day. Uh, as I found out yesterday at 4 o'clock, or a little bit later than that, my grandfather had passed away. He had some medical problems and plus he had the COVID. But it's going to be awfully different working out here at the farm now for a little while until they figure out what they're going to do. Um, I don't know how long they're going to, how long she's going to be able to handle all of this out here. Yes, we still have a truck that has got no motor in it. Well, we got two trucks with no motor in it because that truck up there's got no motor in it too. So, um, yeah, so it's definitely a very rough day today. Shot Appliances won't be open for a little while either. So, sorry for the inconvenience that might cause some people. But, I figure I'd be around family for a little while, and I will have my good days and my bad days. So far, it's a good day so far. Uh, Maybe sooner or later, I might just let it all out and let it, just start crying and everything. But for now, I'm, trying to think good thoughts and trying to get some stuff done that needs to be done before they figure out what they're going to do with the farm out here. I'm thinking they might not keep it for very long. I'm not for sure on that, but just never know. Never know. It's definitely beautiful out here, though. I ain't gonna have very many uh, recording moments out here anymore. But thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel, turn notifications on, and everyone have a good day. Just stay tall, don't get in the way. Ready? Now we have the motor setting down on it. We don't have it fully set in there, but we do have it setting on inside the truck now. So that is one step closer to getting this truck out of the way. Thank you for viewing my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Follow my channel. There'll be more videos to come sooner or later. Everyone have a good day.